Hi there, I'm Adornado Castro Vergara, an agricultural and biosystems engineer. I am a biogas designer and builder for almost 12 years. And I already put up biogas digester at different types and sizes. My clients utilizes biogas not only for cooking, but also for lighting, water pumping, and for power generation. Nothing is wasted, since the slurry or digested animal waste are used as soil conditioner. However, some of my clients have some issues not on the design, but its serviceability and transferability. Like, how can they use the biogas if their farm is far away from their home? And how can they apply the slurry at different locations? Easy guys, I've already designed a Trailed Biodigester for you, and problem solved. Of course, you can easily hitch into your car, your tractor, your hand tractor, and even your drone animals and bring it to different locations. Of course, just like my other designs, I guarantee you of the high efficiency and its durability so that it will become your lifetime investment. So what are you waiting for? Avail now. For inquiries, just contact me on cell phone number 0927 772 5679 or email me at ador_vergara@yahoo.com. Thank you and God bless.